Hi, I'd like to introduce to you Fluke's line of non-contact voltage detectors, also known as voltage testers. The Fluke 1AC non-contact volt alert is rugged, safe, and easy to use. The volt alert has a sensor built into the tip that detects the presence of voltage. By holding the tester, you are the ground reference through capacitive coupling. Just touch the tip to a terminal strip, outlet, or supply cord. When the tip glows red and the unit beeps, you know voltage is present. Fluke offers 3 testers in the Volt Alert family. The Fluke 1AC measures from 90 to 1000 volts, the LAC measures from 20 to 90 volts, and the LVD2, which has a built-in flashlight, measures from 90 to 600 volts. For more information, go to Fluke's website at www.fluke.com.